Share a little, smile a lot. I have all the blocks. I want everyone. Can we build together? Sharing can be fun. I might lose my blocks. What if they don't come back? Let's share one small turn and see what happens next. Share a little, smile a lot. Pass one piece to the building spot. My turn, your turn, wait and see. Sharing helps you play with me. Lita holds the red block tight. NOVO waits beside her right. One small block can start the way. Lita thinks, maybe I can share today. First we ask, then we wait. Kind hands make a happy play day. Share a little, smile a lot. Pass one piece to the building spot. My turn, your turn, wait and see. Sharing helps you play with me. Here is one block, please use it with care. NOVO takes the block with care. NOVO adds it to the bridge right there. The block is safe, the game feels good. Sharing helped the way it should. What do we say? Can I have a turn? What do we do? Wait and learn. What comes next? Pass with care. Then what? Smile and share. My turn, your turn, one by one. Sharing makes the game more fun. Now Lita adds a yellow square. NOVO adds a blue block there. Piece by piece, the bridge grows wide. Lita and NOVO build side by side. I did not lose my blocks today. We use them both in a kinder way. Sharing does not mean goodbye. We use it kindly, then give it back. Sometimes share, sometimes take turns, sometimes wait, that's how friendship learns. If you are not ready, use kind words. Ask for time, your voice is heard. If something is special, tell a grown-up too. Safe, kind sharing works for me and you. Share a little, smile a lot. Pass one piece to the building spot. My turn, your turn, wait and see. Sharing helps you play with me. Red block, blue block, yellow too. A bridge made by me and you. We shared the pieces we built as one. Kind little choices made the game more fun. Share a little, smile a lot. Kindness grows with every block. TD Kids Universe, big adventures for little